Salam, چطورین? Today we're going to learn how to use words like smaller, bigger, warmer, and colder to make comparisons in Persian. The comparative suffix is tar in Persian. With the exception of khub, we can attach it to any adjective to form the comparative version of that adjective. You remember that kuchik in Persian is small. So if we want to say smaller, all we need to do is to add tar to kuchik. Kuchiktar. Bozorg is big. So bigger is bozorgtar. Bad is bad. So worse is badtar. Warm is garm. So warmer is garmtar. And cold is sard. So colder is sardtar. Similarly, we have sakht, sakhtar. Asun, asuntar. Gerun, geruntar. And arzun, arzuntar. With the exception of khub, that becomes behtar, which is really similar to better. So it's rather easy to remember. And now the construction. The comparative construction in Persian works just like its English equivalent. We use the preposition as than, together with our comparative adjective, and we place the two items we want to compare on either side. As primarily means from. Let's see how this works. Smaller is kuchiktar, and smaller than is kuchiktar az. So if you want to say Shiraz is smaller than Isfahan, we put our two cities on either side of our comparative construction, and we would say Shiraz kuchiktar az Isfahane. And larger than is bozorgtar az. So if we want to say Kerman is larger than Yazd, we would put bozorgtar between Kerman and Yazd, and we would say Kerman bozorgtar az Yazd. Similarly, if I want to say, in my opinion, sugar is worse than salt, I would say به نظر من شکر بدتر از نمکه. If you want to say noon is hotter than the evening, we would say ظهر گرمتر از عصره. And if you want to say night is colder than day, we would say شب سردتر از روزه. Now take a look at the sentences and tell me how we can say, in my opinion, German is more difficult than English. به نظر من آلمانی سخت‌تر از انگلیسیه. In my opinion, Arabic is easier than Finnish. به نظر من عربی آسان‌تر از فنلاندیه. Taxi is more expensive than the bus. تاکسی گرونتر از اتوبوسه. کرج is cheaper than Tehran. کرج ارزونتر از تهرانه. And in my opinion, chocolate is better than candy. به نظر من شکلات بهتر از آب نباته. Perfect. Now you know how to use the Persian comparative construction to add finer details to your descriptions. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.